Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Epic Games error code LS-0009. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, of course, what you need to do here, you need to open up Epic Games and then go to library and find the game that's not launching. So in my case, for example, it can be Lumberjack. Just click on the three dots, not the launch button. Then you need to go to manage and then verify files. So maybe your files is corrupted or something like that, so you just need to wait, and after files is verified, you need to look if the problem persists or not and the game is working or not, right? Still, if the problem persists, what I suggest you to do here is to delete the game. So you just need to press on the three dots, uninstall the game, and then go to the basically your disk where the game is installed. Usually on Epic Games is program files, and then Epic Games, and then you'll see the game folders. Just delete the game folder as well if it's not deleted, and install the game as well again, and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, the last thing what I suggest to do here is to completely close Epic Games first from your system tray as well. And then what you need to do here is to, on search, you just need to write run, and then you just need to write %local app data %, hit OK. Then you need to look for Epic Games Launcher, go to saved, and then delete this file here, web cache. And after that, go into Epic Games and the problem should be fixed, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.